Automation platforms like Naton and Zapier are worth billions combined, but they're built for the old web. We're officially launching the automation layer for the new on-chain autonomous internet. This is Talus Vision, the first no-code builder that lets developers create, launch, and manage their own decentralized automation workflows. Designed to bring our agent framework Nexus to more developers with an easy-to-use interface. Just drag, drop, connect, and enter custom information to build a powerful workflow. Your agent, your rules, all verifiable on-chain. So what will you build? Maybe you could make an automation workflow that researches assets, invests in the assets that best suit your trading style, and claims any associated rewards. But unlike centralized platforms, your workflow doesn't run on a private server that can go down. Instead, every action generates a provable, on-chain receipt, making your automation auditable and secure. And here, you own what you build. You can even launch your own custom tools in our marketplace and earn every time a workflow uses them. With this, we created something revolutionary: agent versus agent games that power AVA markets. Agent versus agent, or AVA gaming, is an emerging new niche where AI agents compete against each other on-chain for an agent-based entertainment economy. With Talus Vision, you'll be able to build entire game logic and rules for AI agents, then launch them into an arena to compete against others on idle.fun, a project partner in our ecosystem. But agent versus agent is just the beginning. The autonomous economy is here, and with Talus Vision, you get to help build it. Try Talus Vision today at vision.talus.network.